Knock knock, is this thing on? Hey guys, this is Matt Schmidt. I'm the project lead of the Virtuoso project, and today I was just reviewing some of these mock-ups for a logo for our project when I got a text from my colleague Dennis Beck at the University of Arkansas asking if I could show off some of the progress that we've made on our Android app that's using 360 video for doing some shuttle training for adults on the autism spectrum who are in the IMPACT program at the University of Cincinnati. So I thought I would take a minute to show off our progress there. So let me just jump over to my Windows installation here and bring up Unity. So we are building the Virtuoso app using Unity, and we're building this app for the Google Cardboard and the Google Daydream headsets. Unity is a great platform for that because it has libraries built in to do the kind of work that we need to do with that. And in addition, we're able to export to lots of different formats from Unity. We can go to Android, iPhone. We can even build native apps for Windows and for Mac. So I'm booting that project up right now, and it's about to go live here. All right, we're going to skip the new version of Unity. So this is our project that we have so far, and just bear in mind that everything I'm going to be showing off right now is running locally, so there's going to be things that are broken, things that aren't working, and I'll just kind of have to walk through or talk through how some of the functionality works. All right, so let me go ahead and click play, and what we'll see in the viewport is kind of a preview of what a user would see when they're using the Virtuoso project. Now, I've started up the preview of our app, and what we see here is we see a 360-degree panable image of the UC campus. So this is our quad at the University of Cincinnati. And what you see in front of me are a series of clickable tiles. And as you can see, there's a little reticle in the interface right here. And I'm going to click on it just so you can see it. And as I move that reticle over any of these clickable tiles, you can see that it changes. And that means that we can actually click on one of those tiles. So what we're seeing right now is representative of the cardboard interface. Now, if we were using the Google Daydream interface, we could just use our remote control and point at one of these tiles and then select that pretty easily with that. As you can see, some of these have different things like Blue Ash Campus, Bearcat Soccer, and so on. But then down here you see we've got one that says Virtuoso. So this is where we've done a little bit of prototyping. This will give you an idea of how our final app might actually work. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. When I get in here, all I see is one tile. And that's because we've just been playing around here. But what we see in the background, this is an image. This is a 360-degree view of our new Teacher Dyers complex. And this is where the School of Education is housed. It's a great facility. So we only have one tile here, and I can select that tile. When I do, I'm given the option to watch something in normal quality, high quality, to stream something, or to download it. And if I were to select stream on a headset, I'd actually be able to watch a video in that headset. I don't believe the videos are going to play with the player that we have used here. So when I select stream, I don't think I'm going to actually see anything. So I'll just hit back, and I'll be able to get back into this piece. So that's kind of where we're at with the Unity player and some quick introduction to where we're at in terms of Virtuoso production. The next video I'm going to create is actually going to be from my phone. So you'll actually see what it looks like on my phone when I'm using our Virtuoso interface. So that's all I got for today. I'm going to go ahead and quit the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this.